Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegetable soup for weight loss. This guide will help you create a delicious and satisfying meal that supports your health goals. We'll explore the benefits of a nutrient-dense, low-calorie soup, ensuring you feel full and energized. Get ready to transform simple vegetables into a powerful tool for managing your weight effectively and enjoyably. Selecting the right ingredients is crucial for a weight loss soup. Focus on non-starchy vegetables such as bell peppers, zucchini, and leafy greens, which are high in fiber and low in calories. A good quality, low-sodium vegetable broth forms the perfect base. Enhance the flavor with aromatic herbs like thyme and oregano, along with black pepper, instead of relying on high-sodium seasonings. Making this soup is straightforward. Begin by chopping all your vegetables into roughly 1-inch pieces for even cooking. In a large pot, gently sauté 1 medium onion and 2 cloves of minced garlic for about 5 minutes until fragrant. Pour in 6 cups of low-sodium vegetable broth, add your chopped vegetables, and bring to a boil. Reduce heat and simmer for 20 to 25 minutes, or until the vegetables are tender. To maximize your weight loss efforts, aim for 1 to 2 generous bowls of the soup per meal. Feel free to customize your recipe by adding different vegetables like green beans or spinach and exploring various spice blends. This soup is excellent for meal prepping. Simply store any leftovers in airtight containers in the refrigerator for up to 4 days or freeze for up to 3 months, ensuring healthy meals are always on hand.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.